Guys, it's Ayushi and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another DIY video. मेरे नाना जी आए हुए थे तो I was spending time with my नाना जी, तो ये वीडियो थोड़ा डिले हो गया. सारे लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स वीडियो के बारे में, लाइफ के बारे में सब आते रहते हैं, तो you can follow me on my Instagram if you want. But there are some amazing videos coming up on my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you guys some really amazing DIYs that you can try at home. And अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है अभी तक, please make sure to subscribe my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. And without wasting time, let's get started. If you guys see me making clay के DIYs in future, don't be shocked क्योंकि मुझे लगता है मैं और भी बहुत सारे DIYs बनाने वाली हूँ clay से. I just love making DIYs out of clay. तो ये DIY जो है ये मैंने 2 weeks पहले बनाया था. So for this DIY you will need any air dry clay. I'm using this one by Fevicryl. It comes with a hardener and resin base, and you just have to mix them together. You can check out this video here. I've already made like a complete detailed video on how you can use clay. Sprinkle some powder, break both the hardener and resin base into 2 pieces. Mix each piece together like so. Make sure to mix it properly so that you get a complete white and smooth clay. We'll do the same process with the other pieces. Then mix both of them together. I'll start by breaking clay into a small piece, smooth out into a ball, and then start rolling it so that you get a rope-like shape. You can go for any thickness and size. Make arc, cut out the extra using paper cutter or X-Acto knife. Repeat the same process, rope-like shape and then arc over the first one. Make sure it's sticked properly and cut out the excess. Depending upon the size of the coaster, you can keep adding clay until it's big enough. I personally wanted a small coaster, so I just added 5 layers. Now just wet your finger or brush and gently smooth out the clay. Water will help to stick everything properly and it gives a very clean and smooth texture. So I made 2 more such clay rainbows, and trust me guys, it only took 10 minutes. Very easy. Let it dry for a day. Once it is dried completely, this is how it looks. To paint, I'll use acrylic colors. Start with base by applying white acrylic color to the entire clay. I'm going for pastel colors, for which you just have to mix any color with plain white. And then randomly choosing different colors and started coloring each section. Similarly colored the other 2 as well, and that's it. Absolutely love how they have turned out. Looks so pretty. Plus it was super easy to make. I love these coasters. इसको थोड़ा ज़्यादा लास्ट करने के लिए you can put some decor varnish इसके ऊपर, बट मुझे इसका ना वो चौकी टेक्सचर जो आया है क्ले के ऊपर वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, इसलिए मैंने नहीं लगाया डेकोर वार्निश. ये मैंने मेरे स्टूडियो में रखा है बिकॉज मेरा जो स्टूडियो का थीम है उसके हिसाब से ना ये कोस्टर्स आर लुकिंग वेरी क्यूट. Pastel-y rainbow coasters. There are a lot of new things around and we should always aim to learn new things. I am currently learning hand lettering and calligraphy. This is something that I made after taking classes on Skillshare. Still practicing, but this is something I made after taking beginners classes on Skillshare. I've learned different types of journaling, different techniques of filming and many things on Skillshare since last year. Personally, it has helped me a lot to brush up my skills and I love trying out new things. I'm so happy to talk about Skillshare, who is also sponsoring this video. So Skillshare is basically an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes where you can explore your creativity and learn new skills. You can find various classes specifically curated by industry leaders and experts on photography, this graphic designing, DIY, craft, how you can edit your videos and many more such classes. So currently I'm taking a class on Skillshare by Vidhi Khandelwal, also known as Ink Bucket. I absolutely love her work. So I'm taking her class on hand lettering and botanical painting. It's very informative and I love how she uses real flowers as an inspiration for her work. I'll definitely show my botanical painting, like how it has turned out, in my upcoming video. Best part is that the classes are ad-free and new premium classes are launched every week, so there's always something new to discover. The annual subscription is very low. It is less than 1,800 rupees, which is less than 150 rupees per month. These days we easily spend 150 rupees on shopping, but here you literally get unlimited classes for the same price. And for you guys, I have a custom link. If you guys go through that link, you'll get a 1 month free trial of Skillshare for first 1000 viewers only. If there's something you always wanted to learn, I think this is the best time. So yeah, link will be in the description box. The next DIY is an easy planter for which you will need any size of tissue paper roll, or you can go for a kitchen roll like I did. Then you'll need such wooden craft sticks which you can find easily in any stationery or craft store. You can even get them online. I'll link it in the description box. Wooden stick and paper roll should be of the same size. So I'll cut out the extra part of the tissue paper roll using a scissor or X-Acto knife. Then using white glue or hot glue gun, I'll stick each wooden stick on the roll one by one, covering the entire tissue paper roll. And when you are done, this is how it looks. Then take any piece of paper and cut out a circle as per the size of the roll. Stick it on one side. Such a great idea to recycle tissue paper roll into a planter. Then add some flowers and your wooden stick planter is ready. मैं मेरे डेस्क पे रखने वाली बिकॉज मेरे डेस्क पे बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है. आई जस्ट लव इसका हाइट जो है एंड द वे इट हैज़ टर्न्ड आउट. इट इज़ सो सिंपल येट लुक्स सो एस्थेटिक. सो आई एम सीइंग दिस एब्स्ट्रैक्ट पेंटिंग एवरीवेयर ऑन कैनवस बोर्ड एंड मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना ये पेंटिंग बुकमार्क पे ट्राई करूँ. Take any paper for painting. I'm using this 200 GSM cold pressed paper. You don't necessarily have to use this paper. You can go for a cardstock or chart paper. Cut out a rectangle shape. This one is of 7 cm. So here's a hack. You can even use price tags as bookmarks. You just have to paint it complete white. Now this step is totally optional. You can add paper tape all around it. I'm just doing this to secure it properly so that it's easy to paint, plus you get very clean edges. Now you can follow the steps. So first I'll paint the entire paper using any color. I went for pastel orange. I didn't have any reference image, so I was just randomly painting here and there. Best part of this painting is there is no perfect technique. You can have fun with it, experiment with different colors. It was my first attempt, plus I did not have like a good paint brush paint करने के लिए, but it was super fun and मेरा बस मन कर रहा था कि मैं paint करती जाऊँ. Once you're done, let it dry completely. Lastly, take black pen or black permanent marker. I'm using micron pen, but you can go for a fine tip permanent marker, even that works. And start drawing with the pen over your painting, highlighting leaves, make flowers or any design you want over it. बहुत easy है guys. It hardly took me 20 minutes to make this bookmark, but in the end it looks so good and done. Remove paper tapes from all the sides and that's it. I absolutely loved creating this bookmark, so I made another one with different colors and again random designs, but same process. मैं कुछ भी ऐसे सोच सोच के बना रही थी एंड आई वॉज वरीड कि एक्साइटमेंट में मैं ओवर ड्राइंग ना कर दूँ, बट आई रियली लव्ड इट. एंड या लास्टली जस्ट पेंटिंग लीव्स, दैट्स इट. I just love how these bookmarks have turned out. You can add a ribbon to it or leave it simple. Super proud of this. तो ये वाला जो है ये मैं मेरे एक्चुअली प्लानर में रख रही हूँ. ये वाला जो बुक मार्क है ये मैं अभी करंटली जो बुक रीड कर रही हूँ उसमें मैंने ऐसे लगा के रखा हुआ है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग गाइज, इट रियली मीन्स अ लॉट. प्लीज मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, गिव दिस वीडियो अ बिग thumbs up. I've already started working on the next video, so stay tuned for that and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye, keep inspiring.